Welcome to the Still Point Minute. Inner Wisdom. Returning home. You don't need to become someone else. Breathe in, coming home to yourself. Breathe out, letting go of comparison. Life asks you to become more fully who you already are. The more you accept yourself, the quieter self-doubt becomes. You are not behind. You are not lacking. You are unfolding at your own pace. Trust the person you are becoming. Today's affirmation: I am enough as I am.